Hi friends, see you again with the funny monkey Luby. Today I want to go look for oranges. Friends, come on with me. We have to walk, but soon we will arrive at a friend's orange grove. Wow, look friends, there are a lot of oranges. This must be sweet.
Go, go, go!
Wow, there's a monkey. There's a little bird here. I have to approach this bird.
Hey, you! Hello.
Hey bird, why are you alone here? Where's your mother and her brother?
I don't know where. I was left alone here, monkey.
If that's the case, come on. Come with me. I'll take you to your mother later.
Come on! Okay. Uh-oh.
You rest first in a cage, bird. Later I will take you to its mother.
Okay, thank you very much.